Good morning, everyone. It's always great to start the new year here in Las Vegas. The Life's Good brand film we just watched captures our belief. Life can be even better if you bravely take on new challenges. LG Electronics made a bold business transformation announcement last year to a smart life solution company. We have been in the consumer-facing business, gaining rich understanding of global customers and their living spaces. We are now expanding our businesses into other spaces, like mobility, commercial, and even virtual spaces. By connecting and creating new customer experiences like never before. LG's focus area for customer experience is what we call 3C2S. It stands for care, connectivity, customization, servitization, and sustainability. And in this journey, we recognize AI technology is one of the most essential enablers. LG's focus lies in how AI can actually make a difference in the real world, providing the tangible benefits to our customers. We all know AI stands for artificial intelligence, but at LG, we would like to redefine it as affectionate intelligence. AI should bring better customer experience that is more caring, empathetic, and attentive. Now you may wonder what's unique about LG's AI. The richness of data, from its vast scale to the depth of its quality. 500 to 700 million LG products with AI-supported intelligent sensors are optimized to learn and analyze your physical and emotional life patterns in the real world. We have a unique opportunity to leverage the real life data gathered from the billions of LG smart products and other IoT devices across various spaces in real time. Our data extends to your interactions with real devices, the actual environment around you, and your behavior patterns, and even your emotional state. These multifaceted data enable us to learn truly valuable real-life knowledge and insights. The AI brain of LG that we envision is a powerful engine with orchestrated processes. It starts from forecasting customers' needs, involves advanced reasoning processes powered by our own large language model, which is built upon our customer insight and knowledge archive. The AI brain generates optimal solutions to prompt tangible actions by orchestrating physical devices. So we call this orchestrated intelligence because incorporating real-time live data and orchestrated simply across your multiple devices, uniquely tailored to your preferences, crafting a customer experience for your surroundings. Intelligent spatial services. This brings us to the subject of our responsibility for AI. LG shares our own data security system, which fully embodies our commitment to ensure protection at every stage. We commit to responsible intelligence. We talked about how LG embraces AI as affectionate intelligence, powered by real-time life intelligence, in sync with orchestrated intelligence, and striving for responsible intelligence. Our customer should be the one in control. Life's good. This is our solid and uncompromising promise, a better life for our customers, even in the age of AI. Thank you, and enjoy CES.
intentionally here at CES with thousands of new ideas. But here's the big question. Is your home life really smarter and better? Change in perspective. From products and technology to life and experience, the real problems, needs, and aspirations that drive us towards a better life. Intuitive interaction with LG ThinQ, as you will find in the new Chat ThinQ. New 3D home view for a much more holistic, multi-dimensional awareness of your home space. We are expanding the world of ThinQ to every corner of your home space, so you can access ThinQ platform wherever you are, every ThinQ device becoming an interface. We'll soon be bringing out a new smart home hub, and you bet it'll be beautiful. This means a whole lot more data about you and your life, which is why we are using on-device AI to help you keep your data within your home. We are going to make LG ThinQ one of the most open platforms in this field.
We transformed the industry by introducing the ThinQ Up appliances, setting a whole new standard with continuous feature updates and evolving user experience. Zero-labor home experience. We are introducing innovative home-as-a-service concept with ThinQ Up 2.0. To make this possible, LG developed a specialized operating system and the LG Appliance AI chipset. To help realize our vision, we are introducing a smart home AI agent designed to seamlessly fit into your daily life. With its affectionate intelligence, it can take care of your smart home, communicate with you, and even show you empathy. The combination of ThinQ Up 2.0 and the smart home AI agent will greatly reduce the burden of household chores, letting our customers enjoy considerably more free time at home.
It's my privilege to introduce you to our new Alpha 11 AI processor. With four times the performance of its predecessor, the Alpha 11 AI processor allows LG OLED TVs to recognize you, understand your needs, and further personalize experiences according to your preferences. Last year, we marked 10 years of LG OLED leadership. And this year, we're excited to celebrate the 10th anniversary of LG WebOS.
We're really excited to be collaborating with LG to bring the power of Google to LG TVs. Today, we're thrilled to announce LG TVs in 2024 will now have Chromecast built in. So we're collaborating to make LG and ThinQ products work more seamlessly with Google Home. Together with LG, we're committed to making all the devices in your life work better together. Allow me to introduce you to LG Signature OLED T, the world's first 4K wireless transparent OLED TV. OLED T also becomes an object of design. You can place it in locations unimaginable until now. With LG Signature OLED T, there's never been a TV that can blend into your decor as perfectly as it can. It's fair to say OLED T redefines your screen experience.
At LGVS company, we envision future automobile as a living space on wheels, powered by our advanced SDV solutions. We like to call these solutions AlphaWare. AlphaWare is the best and leading, innovative, user-centric software solutions. At present, AlphaWare consists of 4 major categories that we'd like to refer to as baseware, offsware, playware, and metaware, and more category expansion is planned within this year.
I want you to picture yourself behind the wheels of a car equipped with LG's cutting-edge digital cockpit system, display, AR/MR platform, AI, and 5G telematics technology. As soon as you get into your seat, your car recognizes you through affectionate intelligence, displaying your own personalized screen to greet you. Pretty cool, right? LG ACP serves as an in-vehicle entertainment hub. Powered by WebOS, it enables real-time streaming, bringing high-definition videos and music into your car and delivering the same exceptional sound and display quality you're used to at home.
We are establishing our first ever charger production factory in the United States, in the state of Texas. The new factory will manufacture, absolutely. This new factory will manufacture chargers for the US market, and we anticipate extending this momentum to other markets, including Europe and Asia. Through our comprehensive solutions rooted in our consumer insights, CPOs can now access a diverse range of LG's leading products such as digital signage, EV charging solutions, all conveniently available under one roof. Thank you all so much for joining us, and enjoy CES 2024.